Good evening, everyone, guys. So, I'll do this Evo, this Neo Basi 3230. So today I'll show you this the laptop, and what I take it this laptop this. There you go. Okay, so this tools we need this price grip, Phillips screwdriver, voltage tester, so power drill. There you go. Okay, so I need to take this laptop. This this one on. Oh my god, I noticed the sound, and it be noisy. And there is the windows broken. Already is the windows failed to start. Prevent the hardware to or software change might be the cause. What it is the launch of this Windows is loading files, and once they take this Windows loading files, and then let's see this the shut this power, turn off. Okay, so let's see this. Uh, Taking this window and shut it off, and when it take to the window back off. Okay, there's no power. No power. There you go. Okay, they take remove this drag cord. There is the Microsoft Windows 7, and I take remove this and take a battery off. Okay, and I take remove this. Okay, they take it as the remove this hard drive, and I'll take a remove. Okay, take a remove, and take a use my driver. Okay, and I take with this remove this screw, that brake cover. Oh no, it is the damage this troubleshooting yes laptop. So that is the Seagate hard drive, and we take the ruble. It's a product of China. So today we will show you this, and this is the laptop 320 GB hard drive. So now let's start it off with this drill and a Phillips head, and I'll take it by this the drill. Let's see this, and I'll take the window. Okay, window will take off this window, this part screw, and let's check window. Oh no. Take this window of this parts, and then you take this window of this they take these part screws. Okay, so they take parts window, three parts, these four parts. Hard drive is this eval this. Oh no, and it is the power of this drill, change it, and battery go. This change this the windows window for this, and over the window of the hard drive Seagate right window. Address to take window. Regular screws they take on this internal hard drive the other one, and I need to take this screws to take window this window, and I take window this. Okay. This disable this. Here you go. Everything there is to disable this removal, and with this laptop Windows 7. It right here is 2010 for laptop for Neo. Only is the period name in Philippines and laptop. And thanks guys, and see you in the next video.